Thanks for watching this video. As you can see, it's a new concept. We combine video, speaking, slide deck, and demo. The first topic for this new concept would be thread campaign. So thread campaign is part of Advanced WAF. Okay, so Advanced WAF is a cousin of ASM, and Advanced WAF bring you new concepts, new use cases. Thread campaign is pretty simple to understand. The goal of thread campaign is to reduce the manpower on the ASM side, okay, to administrate the ASM, but increase the security level. So very simple to understand. Today I have a manpower aligned to my security level. If I increase my security level, I have to increase my manpower on the run. Okay. So with thread campaign, we can keep exactly the same manpower level, but we are going to increase the security level. Why? Because thread campaign is a feed. So F5 will feed the big IP, the Advanced WAF, with relevant and accurate roles. So to do so, we use guys from a team named Threat Intelligence Team in F5, and they are connected to the darknet, and so they are able to tell us these are the threats today. These bot network, these bot guys connected to our omnipotent network, and we know that today there is a threat on Trust2 framework, for instance. Okay, so it's a way to get update very fast, because we update every day, several times a day, the threat campaign database. So I'm going to show you how it works exactly. As you can see, it will be very easy to deploy. So the first things to do is first of all to subscribe to the service. Okay, so if I go to the licensing, I need an Advanced WAF. Okay, so far so good, and a subscription to the threat campaign. Then in the provisioning, it's still an ASM engine. Okay, so it's not an Advanced WAF engine. Advanced WAF is if the solution, the engine itself, the module itself is ASM. Now in security, I have a new menu called thread campaign. So as you can see, I get several roles. It's not a signatures, okay? The signature set is a traditional signature set with SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and is based on keywords or patterns. Here, it's a very accurate rules, okay? So it's several lines in a row matching an attack. So it's very, very accurate. So we should not see any false positive with threat campaign. So if I take one of them, okay, like this one, Trust2 with gzip, you can see some information, description, how it's delivered, okay, and so on, but you don't see the rules. Okay, the rules is in the backstage, you don't see them. Okay, there are several rules most of the time. We have information regarding the TV with a link to the reference, and you can decide if you enforce it or disable it. Okay, if you do not have a Trust2, you could disable it. Okay, it's not mandatory to enforce. But like any entity in the ASM, the Advanced WAF, there is a possibility to put threat campaign rules in staging. So if you remember, staging means transparent or learning. Okay, so if I go there, I can enable staging. So it means that during one day, the readiness period, during one day, the rules will be transparent. So I will get the update, I will get the report, the logs, but I will not block. And then after one day, the ASM will propose you to enforce the rules. So easy to enable it, okay? As you can see, no configuration at all, just subscribe and that's it. On the client side, okay, I'm on the hacker side, I will send an attack. So this one is in the Jakarta. So as you can see, I got the blocking page. So okay, the legacy traditional login page from ESM, okay? I can do it with a post. So this is the post, the body of the post. And all this body is part of the rule, okay? Perhaps 80-95% of this body is part of the rule. So the rule is very accurate. This is important to keep in mind, okay? The bottom line is the accuracy. So if I send it, I should see a blocking page as well, okay? Because most of the content, and not the keywords, the content itself is part of the attack. If I come back to my big IP and I go to my request, I should see several logs, okay? So as you can see, they are in severity 5. Why? Why? Because I told you we should not see any false positive with a threat campaign. Okay, it's not based on the pattern, it's not based on the keyword, it's based on the rule or rules. So of course I have a 5. It's not false positive, it's very important, okay? So it's a high scoring. And you can see, so I have several violations for this request. I think this is a post, so it makes sense. And you can see the threat campaign itself and the 2 threat campaign rules, okay? On one on HTTP client, one on Metaxploit. And if I take another one, here it was on the gift. So it's very easy, as you can see. I didn't did anything on the configuration side, just accepted the default settings on force. I could change the staging, and that's it. So it's very easy to deploy. The solution is available in 14.0 minimum, okay, and it's part of Advanced WAF. If you have any question, as usual, comments in YouTube, Twitter, Dev Central, you know how to join us, so feel free to do it. Thanks for watching.